So tell me about something about yourself.
So my name is Sakshi Gurjar, and my hobbies to playing basketball and doing art and craft. And there are 8 members in my family: me, my brother, my father, my mother, my uncle, my aunt, and my grandparents.
Okay. So can I tell my
Yes.
introduction? My name is Priyangi Rathore and I study in Porte in Sophia Convent Senior Secondary School, and my hobbies are to drawing and dance.
Okay. So, what do you like to eat?
I like to eat everything like street food or healthy food.
At healthy food, what do you like?
In healthy food I like everything, but in street food I like dabili and water balls.
And what do you think about? You like books?
No. Uh, which type of books are you talking?
All types of. Which type of books do you read?
I read my subject books like English.
Which subject do you like the most?
I like English subject, and you?
Why do you like English?
I'm asking that which subject do you like?
I like SST
SST. So why?
because it's very easy for me.
It's very easy. Okay. So how many marks did you score in test?
Out of 8 persona says
No, SST.
SST, I got 37 out of 40.
Okay. So
Which is your favorite place?
my favorite place is Indore because it is the cleanest city and there are big malls and many things are there. And which is your favorite city?
I like to go Delhi because there are many monuments to see, and that's all.
How many times have you gone to Delhi?
2 times I gone.
What was the reason to go 2 times?
It's my family function and for in my summer vacation.
For visiting. Okay. So whom wedding was there in Delhi?
It's my brother's wedding.
Like cousin brother?
Yes.
Okay. So
So what do you think that beauty is better or the talent?
I think that talent is better because by beauty we can do only something, but by talent we can do everything. And what do you think about that?
I also think because talent, because it's more important than beauty. If you take the example of our president, she is not beautiful, but she is leading our country.
Yes, and but sometimes people think that he is beautiful, she is beautiful, but they don't know that our talent.
Yes.
Some are not beautiful, but they don't know their talent. So that's it.
How many percentage do you get in third class?
Yes.
Did you get?
How many percentage did you get in third class?
98%. 0.4.
And what? Who
And
is
you?
your- I get 95%. Yes.
Okay.
And who is your class teacher now?
My class teacher is Santosh Patel ma'am, and your?
My class teacher is Amita ma'am.
Do you like that ma'am?
Yes, it's my. She's my favorite.
How many subjects does she teach?
She teach only one subject,
Which?
SST.
SST. That's why you like that
No.
ma'am and that subject.
Yes. So, what's your problem in your life?
My problem is nothing because I'm small now. What problem will I have?
Oh,
You can
and
answer.
which subject do you like? Don't like?
I don't like math subject because maths sometimes I don't do the solution because sometimes there are tough questions are there and I have problem of that.
Which is your native place?
My native place is Punasa Dale. And yours?
My native place is Khandwa only.
Khandwa. Okay. So where do you live in Khandwa?
I live in Khandwa Rama Colony.
Where is it?
I live at Rama Colony in Khandwa. Speak again.
I live at Rama Colony in Khandwa.
Where is it?
It's nearby Arsamat School.
Okay.
Where do you live?
I live at Sunny Mandir Chowk in Khandwa. And what benefits does your school give you?
I don't think that it is giving some benefits to me.
Many benefits are there. There is ground. There is many rooms are there. Many benefits are there. How can you say that?
I don't think that. And what about you? You are studying in Sofia since childhood.
Yes.
What does your father do?
My father is a
Yes.
chartered accountant, and your father?
My father is a businessman.
What type of business?
Fertilizers.
Fertilizers. What is fertilizers? I don't know that.
It's a thing to spray on the crops.
Wow.
It is a use of farmers thing.
Okay.
And what do you want to become?
I haven't think now.
Okay. And
I haven't decided yet.
I haven't decided yet.
Stop it. Clapping.